Alrighty guys, welcome to the vlog. And in today's episode, we bring you something a little bit different. It's the rest of the remod on our 27-foot bunkhouse Pioneer. I hope you all enjoy, and I will link the video of the before in the top of this so you can see part 1 to part 2. Hope you all enjoy. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I am Destinations Delight. Miss O is not here today. I know we have been MIA. Well, we've had some things going on in our life that we decided, we needed to take a break, step back, grab reality for a little bit, let nature take its course, and move on. Well, right now we are in the middle of a remod on our 27-foot Pioneer travel trailer, and I'm here to show you what we did, and here's the outcome. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, it is flooring update. Don't mind that. We had to do a water test this week on the roof. Yep, we had a leak, guys, and that has now been fixed. So that board is coming out. We are going to go and put the floor in today. Can't wait. It's going to be not quite what you see there. That is all coming out. And we are putting a new roll of flooring in, and let's go check that roll out now. Alrighty guys, here is the roll of flooring. Everything is out of the camper, benches, storage, water tanks, stuff for the sink. This is all going in to the floor. Alrighty guys, we have a 27-foot Pioneer. And I already showed you the first remod on this. We put a brand new awning on it and much, much more. Stay tuned for more. Let me guess, more pieces for the bathroom? Huh?
This should be my last one.
Is that over by the tub?
Yeah. So I'm gonna have little corners. I'm not even gonna bother filling.
We are getting closer. The wall is going in, guys. Getting some good before footage. Stay tuned. Accent wall going in. Miss O's helping install it. It's like a rustic chic panel. Light wood to help brighten up the space. Cool contrast between the dark and the light. And then our flooring is going in afterwards. We bought some new blinds. So guys, as you can see, this is the panel. Awesome, very cool thing to have. It's by Scott's Living. It is by the Property Brothers. This is what it looks like. Something really cool to have. It's a peel and stick paneling, so that way if we ever trade our trailer in later in life, it is able to be easily redone by whoever else would bought it. And then, guys, we have something very special we are doing with this. Stay tuned. Day 2. It's flooring day. Check out this beautiful vinyl grain wood flooring that we got. It's going to look pretty awesome, guys. My husband's back there installing it. I'll show you some more in a little bit. Dinette benches are in. Flooring is all done, guys. Beautiful. Bucket of screws? Or is it a thing of coffee? You be the judge. One little seam right here that the husband is trying to work on to get it so that it sticks together, but looks very, very, very good. We can't wait to show you when it's all done. Come on. Alrighty, guys, we did it. We finished our 27-foot travel trailer remod with the floors, a brand new wall. Let me walk through what we did. So, previous videos I had showed you we ripped up this whole floor from the current position that I'm standing in, and we remodeled and redid the whole floor throughout. All the way back. And then we decided to do the wall, and we went with this little accent birch looking wall to help break up the browns and pull in more earthier tones. And we are going to continue our remod with our cabinets. We're going to still go with this white birch and do the accent pieces in the middle here. More to come. But our biggest surprise is we decided to go ahead and put the United States map on here. What is cool about this, guys, is it's a dry erase map. You can mark your next destination, where you've been, where you want to go to, everywhere in the world. Plan vacations, and this is great for our channel because you guys know we are a travel channel. You're going to be seeing a lot more coming up this year with traveling, camping, and a lot of cool other things. We started putting in our camping supplies. That is our towel and dry and clothing rack, our big old canopy awning to keep the sun off of you on your property while you camp. We restored the bottom bunks, put all brand new blinds in on every window except for this top one because it's too small and it doesn't come with a blind. So yeah, that's pretty much what we did. So every ounce of the floor has this hardwood linoleum looking floor down. My husband, who has never done flooring before, did this. This was his first time laying a floor. So yeah, we are very excited. And here's to many more awesome adventures, guys. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, there you have it. Our remod on our Pioneer travel trailer. 27 foot, guys. I think my husband did an outstanding job. Our first time. A lot of questions, a lot of nicks and tricks, and going back and revamping what we already did, but we did it. We have a little bit more to come and a few little odds and ends. And guys, I'm here to say that it is beautiful. As this says, welcome to our nest. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little video, give it a ring. Give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our awesome destinations that we are going to be taking in this camper. Stay tuned, guys. Have a great one. Bye.